Ananya Sweet Treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy and delicious Oreo cake with a chocolate ganache strip in a very easy method. So let's get started. For making the Oreo cake, you will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 and 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup warm water, half cup vegetable oil, 1/8 cup milk, 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder, 1 cup buttermilk, and few drops of vanilla essence. So first we'll prepare our cake tins. So here I have taken 2 8-inch cake tins. You can also use 2 6-inch cake tins. Now butter it at the bottom and sides. Now place a piece of parchment paper at the bottom of each cake tin. Then spread some more butter on top of the parchment paper. Now in a bowl we are going to sift in the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and powdered sugar. Now sift it all together. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now mix the dry ingredients and keep it aside. Now we'll prepare the wet ingredients. For that, pour the hot water into the instant coffee powder and mix. The coffee enhances the chocolate flavor. Now in a bowl we are going to add in the vegetable oil, coffee mixture, buttermilk, and vanilla essence. Now mix all the wet ingredients together. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix it using a whisk until there are no lumps. Now add in the milk and fold it into the batter using a spatula. Now pour this batter equally into the prepared pans. I am using a cup to measure it. Now tap these a few times to get rid of air bubbles. Then bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. The cakes are now out of the oven and they have baked perfectly. Now we let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, run a knife around the sides of the cake. Now flip the cake onto a plate and peel off the parchment paper. Now level the cake using a knife. Now divide each cake into 2 layers. So now we'll make the ganache for the drip. So for that you will need 100 grams of grated dark chocolate, 100 ml fresh cream and 1 teaspoon butter. So here I have taken the fresh cream in a saucepan and we are going to heat it up on medium flame until it starts to boil. So it has now started to boil now, and we are going to switch off the flame and we are going to pour it into the grated dark chocolate. Now let it sit there for a minute. Now mix it using a spatula until the chocolate is melted. Now add the butter and mix it until it is melted. So here I have taken 2 cups of cold whipping cream in a bowl, and now I am going to beat it until stiff peaks appear. So this cream already has sugar and vanilla added to it. So I am not going to add any more sugar or any flavoring. Now we are going to add a few Oreos that I had crushed in my grinder into the whipping cream. Now fold it in using a spatula. Now here I have got a cake table with a cake board on top, and now I am going to add a little bit of the cream into the middle. So here I have transferred the first layer onto the cake board, and now I am going to brush it with some sugar syrup. The sugar syrup makes the cake moist. So now we are going to pipe the cream on the cake layer. So I have transferred the cream into a piping bag, but you can just use a spatula. Now spread it using an offset spatula. Now transfer the second layer of cake. Now brush some more sugar syrup and repeat the process. So I have stacked all the layers of cake, and now on top we are going to add more of the whipped cream. Now spread it using the offset spatula. Now pipe some cream on the sides of the cake. Now spread it evenly using an offset spatula. Now keep the cake in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add another layer of cream on the whole cake. Now from the top, pull the sides in, as you can see. Now smoothen the cake using a cake smoother. Now we are going to take the chocolate ganache in a piping bag and cut a small hole and create the drip around the cake. Now pour the rest of the ganache on the top of the cake. Now spread it gently using a spatula. Now keep this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now I have taken the cream in a piping bag with a star tip nozzle and we are going to pipe some swirls on top of the cake. Now we are going to add some Oreos on the top of the cake in between the swirls. So our Oreo cake is now ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you soon.